I picked up a 1956 Firestone outboard motor, 3.6 horsepower. Everything seems to be working pretty good. The guy I got it from said that he didn't have it running, but it should run. Notice there's no spark plug wire there. He mentioned that to me, so I'll have to reroute that, see if I can get that on. And I noticed there's a lot of rust in this tank. Let me show you guys in there. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get in there and show you. Anyway, we'll have to get that cleaned up before we even think about firing this thing up. Seems like it's got a little bit of compression anyway. So that's pretty good. Things moving freely. So yeah, we'll see if we can get this outboard back to its beauty from 1956. Well, I want to try to start it now. So I got the other gas tank being cleaned. So I rigged up this system here just to get some clean gas in there. I didn't want to use the old tank yet until it's clean. And like I said before, I found the plug wire underneath there. And I'm pretty sure we have some good spark. So got some water in there and we're going to see if we can get this thing fired up. Well, I checked for spark, I checked the plug, checked the wire, nothing. So I'm gonna have to take this off and see if we can clean up the points or something, figure that out. Okay, I'm gonna try sanding the points. You can see them in there. See what that'll do if we get some spark. Have to feel it. Just put some paper over a feeler gauge. Let's see what that'll do. All right, got that back on. As we wind this up. Ended up putting a little bit of gas down the cylinder. All right, got that going. Not sure how to fix that. That's the float. Have to figure out what this does. Anyway, that's good. Looks like we're gonna restore this. Stick around. Well, as you saw, we got her going, which I'm really happy about because that means I can do a restoration video on this and I don't have to tear it down and put it into a box of parts. Which I'm really happy about. I didn't want to do that. But that's good. Now we can do another video, clean it up, bring it back to its old beauty of back in the day. Anyway, thanks for sticking around to the end. Watch, I appreciate it.